Welcome, class, to your first take-home Regents review assignment. I am going to be going over this thing called index fossils. So, index fossils are pretty straightforward. I'm going to teach you the concept of it, and I'm going to teach you the easy way to do it. So first off, an index fossil is a fossil that's found in many areas, but only lived for a short period of time. So pretty much what this means is that an organism on Earth many years ago, probably millions of years ago, depending on what we're talking about, that lived and got really spread out across the Earth, but only lived for a short period of time. So it's only going to be found in certain layers of rocks. So to really let you understand this, I'm going to show you this first question. So this asks you, which fossil could be classified as an index fossil? This is what happens in my mind anytime I see this question, a question about an index fossil. I look at all the layers they give me, and I think I need to find a fossil that's found once in each layer. If there's more than one in each layer, or there's only, maybe one found here and none found anywhere else, I can't use that as an index fossil. So I'm looking for one fossil found in each layer. So let's start with A, the shell. I see already there's 3 in this one layer, right? Well, this one column. So it's gotta be wrong. I can't choose that because I need to find 1 in each column. So let's look for this symbol. I see 2 of them over here, I see one of them over here, and 3 of them over here. It can't be that because there's 3 of them spread out through a column. Let's take a look at this spirally shell. I see 1 in this entire column, 1 in this column, and 1 in this column. It's got to be this one, but let's just make sure that this one isn't found the same way. I don't see any in this column. I see 1 there, and I don't see any there. It has to be the spirally shell one because it's found once in each location. So for your homework, I need you to write an index fossil will be found once in each column. Next question is about a volcanic ash layer. So not only are we going to have index fossils, we're also going to have index layers. Which statement best explains why the volcanic ash layers are useful for correlating the relative ages of bedrock in the 3 outcrops? In my mind, if I want to know the ages of something, I want to make sure that I find a layer of something or a fossil that's found once in each layer. So in this case, these are going to be a good index fossil because they have been deposited over a large area. So they've been deposited over several kilometers. All right? So that's got to be your answer. So a good layer that tells us relative ages are going to be layers that are deposited over a large area in a short period of time. So that statement that I just said, you need to write down for your homework. In order to figure out the relative ages of something, you need to find a layer that's been deposited over a large area in a short period of time. This final question is the same exact idea. I see the word index fossil. I need to find, in this case, not a symbol, but a number that's found once in each column. I take a look at this first column. I see a 2 and I see a 2. There's 2 of them, can't be it. I see a 4 and a 4. There's 2 of them, can't be it. And there's a 1. So now that I just see one there, I'm going to look at the next column. And there's 1 of them in the entire column. And there's 1 of them in the entire column. And there's 1 of them in the entire column. So I'm going to connect my 1s. Make sure there's no more 1s in each column. That's got to be my index layer. Okay? So, finally, you don't even have to write anything down for this one because it's the same one as this one. It's found once in each column, and it's really well spread out. So that has to be my index fossil.